Hello everybody, this is Jeff, the Hawaiian Volcanic. Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll be replacing the main battery fuse block in my 2015 Chevy Silverado. So this is the part that I'll be installing. This is the Dorman Solutions main battery fuse block. This is 175 amps and it's an entire assembly. The reason why I'm replacing this is because I've had some electrical issues and traced it to the main fuse block. As always, I'll have helpful captions throughout the video. And I'll have a link in the description below of where you can get this main fuse block. So with that said, let's start mechanicking. All right, now that everything is all buttoned up, let's take a look at the old main fuse block. Okay, so I've already popped out the posts. And if you ever wondered what a main fuse block looks like on a 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500, this is what the fuses look like. So as you can see here, this one is starting to go bad. And this actually is where the main cable sits. attaches here, and that goes to the battery. And that one is starting to get cooked. So we can pop this out and get a better look. And this is what it looks like. It's just a thin sheet. And these are the parts that burn out. So when these get overheated, they burn out. Just like a standard fuse. As you can see, this one here is starting to go bad. So there you have it. Well, gang, that wraps up another project. I'll have a link in the description below where you can get this main battery fuse distribution block. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment section, and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. And if you haven't already, please smash that like button, like the video, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. This is your Hawaiian Volcanic. Aloha.